Hello, my name is Melinda Chen, and this is my 15-112 term project, which is a pathfinding visualizer. So to start off, my project features three pathfinding algorithms, which are BFS, Dijkstra's, and A-star. You can visualize how they step from a start node to an end node on either these sample graphs, or you can create your own custom one. So, you can step forwards through the graph, you can step backwards, and you can run the pathfinding algorithm automatically. Note that as the algorithm steps through the graph, it appends nodes to this queue, just to give you a better idea of which nodes are going to be visited and what the algorithm is actually doing. To create a custom graph, it's pretty simple. You just add edges and nodes, which I'm going to go ahead and do. When you're creating a custom graph, you have an option to set your start node and end nodes using these buttons. If you don't set them, they will automatically default to the first and last nodes added to your graph respectively. So if we click here, we can exit editing mode, and now we should be able to visualize how each of our three algorithms step through this custom graph of ours to find our end node. Going back to our custom graph option, we can click here to import an image using its URL. So I can upload an image and then assign nodes and edges to important points on the image in order to essentially see the best path to take perhaps through the CMU campus. When you're creating a custom graph, you also have an option to save it to a gallery, which I'm going to go ahead and do now. So if I go back to my home screen and click on gallery, we'll see that the graph is in fact saved here. So inside of the gallery, you can delete a graph if you no longer want it. Clicking on top of it will take you to the visualization screen, and you can visualize it from there. And if you want to go back and edit your graph, you can click on edit. You can add nodes. You can reset some of the start and end parameters. And if we go back here, we see that our graph is now edited. Lastly, just for fun, we have a feature for maze generation. And this essentially automatically generates a maze using Prim's algorithm, and you can visualize how that process works using the same controls as the graph visualization, which is you can step forwards, you can step backwards, and you can run the process automatically. Alright, so that is my term project, and I hope you enjoyed this. Thank you.